It's a gloomy day in Vancouver and it's been raining non-stop.
Today we're at Burnaby, Vancouver visiting Hobby Bee. Let's go inside and see what they've got.
I don't know why I said Burnaby. It's in Vancouver. I probably got mixed up because we were driving here from Burnaby. Heads up, there's a quiz at the end of this video, and one of you will win a $100 gift card, so stay tuned and pay attention. Walking in, the store is actually pretty spacious and well organized. Everything's laid out nicely, so it's super easy to browse around without feeling lost. Not gonna lie, this place is kind of dangerous for my wallet. It's just too many things to look at already.
This store is known for anime collectibles, scale figures, and of course, great selection of model kits including Gunpla. They've got good mix of Gunpla in different scales, as well as non-Bandai and third-party models. And a bunch of tools and accessories. They also bring in a lot of pre-orders and imports.
So basically, you can find items here that are harder to get at regular hobby stores. Another nice thing is that they also have an online store. My friends and I always purchase from it, and their flat rate shipping fee is only $14.99 within Canada and US.
And if you're into anime and collectibles, they have a lot to choose from.
Hey, look at this metal built Sasabi. And the Sesame Street figures are super unique. I wish they had Ernie. I was told to draw a yellow ball for 5% discount, and they even gave me a second chance. Too bad, no luck for me. I told myself I wasn't gonna buy anything, but here we are. Can't believe I found these Steel Requiem Gundam cards here. Gotta grab 4 packs right away. Alright, that's it for today. If you're around the Vancouver area, don't forget to check out Hobby Bee. Before you go, don't forget there's a $100 gift card giveaway from Hobby Bee. All the details are on my Instagram post, so check it out if you want to join. See you in the next one.